Hi, and thanks for watching this tutorial on how to set up a pop-up banner using our Ad-O-Matic software. Ad-O-Matic is a powerful software that will increase conversion on your website. You can use it for general advertisement or promos or advertising to highly targeted traffic. You could set a number of different rules, like for example, you could choose to display a specific promo only to one specific piece in your inventory. That's just an example. Let's get started on setting up a general pop-up banner. The first thing you have to do is to log in your Relp account. So you need to go to realelivepeople.com/login. Once you have your email address in, just put your password, of course, this. Now I'm not going to go through the whole software. If you have any questions, feel free to send us your questions. We'll be glad to help you with this. I just want to show you how to set up a pop-up banner. So you have all the live traffic here, and you have 4 different tabs. So you want to click on Ad-O-Matic, which is a piece of software we're going to use today. If you had multiple properties or websites, they would all show within that drop-down menu. So locate the website you'd like to build, for which you're building the campaign. And then, it's very easy. You have just one simple button to click, create new ad campaign right here. You have pre-built templates here. You could, they're all pre-built templates you could use. Let's just try this first one here. It's empty template, heading and subtext, like this. So first thing you want to do is put a name. I'm just going to name it Awesome Promo Number 1. And then, as you can see, there are 4 different tabs. First one is Appearance, Behavior, Activation Rules, and Analytics. And then this is where it gets fun. Depending on the type of image you have available, you could choose to display an image with text overlay. So if you just want to upload an image and write text over it, that's the option you would choose. But I'm going to choose display an image with no text because I got everything in my JPEG. So let's do this. Then I'm going to select this image. It's right here. There we go. So this is my beautiful banner that I'd like to pop up on my website. At the bottom, you have other options if you want to control the dimensions of it. Of course, we can only recommend that you build it 100% whenever you do create that banner. And the last one is the close button. You always have a close button. It's important. You don't want to annoy people. So make it, the default option is on the upper right corner, which is a good option. But you could choose to put it somewhere else if you want it. Then move to the second tab, Behavior. What do you want to do? You want, whenever people click on it, you want them to land on another page. So this is your URL you'd be putting in if that was the case. So let's say I'm on our website, ondeersolutions.com, and wanted people to contact us if they had any question. Then I would go on the Contact Us page, copy the URL, go back here and paste it here. So by doing that, anyone who clicks on my banner will be forwarded to this page. So that's it for that. Below is the positioning of it. So if you wanted the banner to show in the center, on top, upper right, this is what you need to use. And then lastly, the timeout option. So you can hide your banner after 15 seconds, which is default option, which is good option. You can choose also no timeout, but if your campaign hasn't triggered any action from your users, if they haven't clicked on it, might mean that they're not simply not interested. So why continue to show it? Anyways, so I would recommend to hide it after 15 seconds. It's a good default option. Next tab is the Activation Rules. Now these are all the rules that you can select, to make it even more targeted offer, more targeted banner, depending on how people are browsing your website. You could create multiple of these banners and choose to show them only to certain types of people. The first restriction here is that you want to show it only once per browsing sessions. So what it means is that if someone gets on your website and then comes back later, you'll show it again. But not if they just, let's say they go to your website, they leave, and they come back to it within the next 5 minutes. You're not going to show it again. Of course, that would be annoying. That would be considered as annoying for most people. So you have different options here. You have the no restrictions, can activate on every page visited. This option is to be used with, and be very careful. By showing campaigns like this, you always run you can always annoy people, and you want to avoid getting be annoying people, of course. So you just need to be highly targeted and compelling and relevant, and you should be avoiding that for sure. Anyways, you can run through the different options here. Show to all website visitors, only those who are returning, or only the new visitors. This would be very interesting if you had specific messages to show these people. And you can only activate when the visitor is on a URL containing this. So let's say I wanted to, going back to this website, I wanted to display my campaign only when people landed on this page here, which is the really live people and Ad-O-Matic page. Well, I could just put, copy whatever trails after onlinetheatersocials.com, copy it, go back here, and paste it here. And then we'll see why. So I can create that and save. There you go. So my campaign is activated, and let's go to my website, to our website, onlinetheatersolutions.com. So let's go back to the home page. No, there are no campaigns, of course, and let's try to go here, website plugin and add-ons, and then let's try to go here again. And here you go. So I just activated this campaign specifically for this page. So it's been almost 7 minutes and a half. Let's just wrap it up. And if you have any questions with respect to this software, any pieces within this tutorial, feel free to let us know. We'll be glad to assist. Thank you.